Hi guys, so it's Sunday the 9th of March 2025. It's actually really spring-like. I've had a lovely weekend down seeing my daughter and granddaughter, and we made a little mini wildlife pond. And you can see a video of that, a couple of videos we did of the making the wildlife mini pond. Great things to do. So yeah, anyone can make one. Doesn't matter how small garden is, even if you don't have a garden, you can have it on your doorstep. Have it on a block of flats on a balcony. So I highly recommend making a mini wildlife pond. Make it out of any size container you want. So have a look at that video if you're interested in that kind of thing. But while I was down there, I found this bit of silver birch because my daughter works as a tree surgeon. So she's just been doing all her tests. She's passed her climbing test and she's done all her chainsawing tests and this, that and the other. So well done, Vita. That's really good what you're doing. We're really proud of you. So good on you, chick. But she had this length of silver birch, and it was. I thought that's really nice. That bit of silver birch. There it is. There. It's got lots of lichen on it. And I said, she was going to chop it up for firewood. But I said, can I have it? So she gave it to me. And what I thought was, what I'd do with it was to create a bug hotel. Well, actually, in the beginning, I didn't know what I was going to do with it. I just thought I can do something with that. And then when I got back home to Somerset, it came to me that I could sort of make a monolith out of it. And then I'd drill lots of little holes in it. So what I'd done, I didn't totally dig it in the ground. My knee hurts, I've got a bit of a bad knee. So I dug it in about 6 inches. Then I had a bit of galvanised water tube which I hammered in. I just wired it up so it stays upright, so it's quite sturdy there. And then I drilled a series of holes. It's a bit difficult to see. I've drilled lots of 10mm holes and I've drilled lots of like 6mm holes. I've drilled dozens of them until my battery cordless drill went flat. So there's probably like 30 holes in there. It's kind of mimicking decaying wood, because this bit of silver birch is pretty damn solid still, so it should last for a good few years. So even though the silver birch has been trimmed, I don't think this one was cut down, I think they had to trim it. It was topped, I think. But so this silver birch, instead of being burnt in her wood burner, is going to sit in my garden, and hopefully, you can see a hole there, it'll attract lots of little insects. There's a smaller hole. Oh, there's a smaller one there, 6mm hole. But I've just drilled loads of holes in there. That's it really. It's about 5'6" tall, I guess. This is the sort of wild area in my garden. Most of my garden's quite wild. There's a big log pile there. I think I've got a couple of rats living in my garden. Hope they don't eat me slow worms. It looks like they've been tunnelling around in there. Haven't seen any slow worms yet. Let's have a quick look at the pond. There's the little pond. Could do with a top up actually. I might put the hose in and give it a top up. Bird feeder. Anyway, look, just a quick video. I won't go on like I normally do. But there it is, like at the bug hotel. We'll keep an eye on that. And if you see anything buzzing around it, we'll do another little video. Over and out for now. Bye.